Have you ever looked at an old photo and wondered, what did this moment really look like? Not blurry, not cracked, not faded by time, but clear, alive, real. That old picture of your parents when they were young. A family memory almost lost to dust, scratches, and age. What if I told you, you don't need Photoshop. You don't need editing skills. You don't even need experience. All you need is one powerful prompt and AI. For years, restoring old photos meant expensive software, professional editors, and endless manual work. Most people just accepted that some memories were meant to stay damaged. But today, AI is changing that story. And here's the truth most people don't tell you. AI is only as powerful as the way you talk to it. The results you get aren't magic. They're communication. With the right prompt, AI doesn't just fix a photo, it understands it. It rebuilds missing details, enhances facial features, removes scratches, stains, and dust, sharpens textures, restores natural colors. That's exactly what we're doing today, bringing ancient damaged photos back to life using nothing but prompts. Think of AI like a highly skilled artist. If your instructions are vague, the results are average. But when your instructions are clear, intentional, and detailed, AI becomes an extension of your creativity. You're no longer asking AI to try, you're directing it. And once you understand this, you stop using AI casually, you start using it strategically. In this video, you'll see how powerful prompting truly is. I'll show you how to restore old, ancient, damaged photos. Turn faded memories into clean, modern visuals. Achieve hyper-realistic results. Use one single prompt across multiple images. No editing. No retouching. Just AI plus the right words. So go ahead. Gather as many old photos as you can find. Family photos, childhood memories, ancient prints. I've got a few with me too, and I'm using one prompt for all of them. Here's the exact prompt I'm using, and yes, it's detailed for a reason. Prompt: take this old photo and restore it into a modern, hyper-realistic 2026 style image. Make it clean, simple, and direct. Restore the photo to look like it was shot on a 2025 Canon EOS R5 with a 50mm f1.2 lens. Sharpen all details. Remove scratches, stains, dust, and texture damage. Detect every person, object, vehicle, and background element, and color each with natural, real-life tones. People. Apply realistic skin tones, ranging from deep brown to light tan. Add clean highlights and natural shadows. Clothing. Use modern tones, white, blue, red, green, yellow, black, with realistic textures like denim, wool, silk, or Ankara. Objects and vehicles. Apply real-world colors such as metallic silver, blue, red, yellow, green, cream, white, and black. Metals should reflect light. Wood should show clean brown grain, and glass should appear clear. Environment. Asphalt roads in natural gray with visible markings, trees, and grass in rich green variations. Buildings in concrete, brick, wood, or painted finishes. Sky should be clean blue where visible. Lighting. Use bright natural daylight or accurate indoor lighting. Add realistic shadows and reflections while maintaining sharp depth and perspective. Deliver a modern, clean, vibrant, high-clarity image with no vintage or sepia tones. To make this happen, 1. Go to AI Studio, studio.google.com. 2. Upload your old photo. 3. Paste the prompt. 4. Generate. And in seconds, your memories come back to life. If this blew your mind even a little, imagine what else you can do once you master prompting. So here's what I want you to do next. Try this prompt on your own photos. Experiment with it. Adjust it. Make it yours. If you want more AI prompts like this, more creative workflows, and more ways to turn AI into a real superpower, like this video, subscribe, and share this with someone who has old photos they care about. Because memories shouldn't fade, and with AI, they don't have to.